In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unpopular pictures from Pinterest mobile. If you're tired of seeing the same viral images over and over, this walkthrough will help you find fresh, lesser seen ideas that feel original. We'll focus on using the Pinterest mobile app, narrowing your searches, and adjusting filters so you uncover hidden gems instead of the usual trending content. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone. From your home feed, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the search option. It's usually represented by a magnifying glass icon, and it takes you straight to the universal search page where you can type anything you're looking for. Here's the key to finding unpopular pictures. Be specific with your search terms. Instead of typing something broad like outfits, try a longer, more detailed phrase such as minimal outfit mirror selfie 2024. This kind of long tail description narrows the pool dramatically and surfaces content that hasn't been saved or circulated as widely. Adding details like the style, minimal, the context or angle, mirror selfie, and the time frame, 2024, helps the algorithm show you images that match your niche rather than the most popular pins for a generic term. Once your results load, take a moment to scan what you're seeing. If it still looks too mainstream, refine the wording right in the search bar. You can add color, setting, fabric, or vibe. For example, minimal beige outfit mirror selfie 2024 or capsule wardrobe mirror selfie neutral tones. Small tweaks guide Pinterest toward more specific and often less shared pictures. Now use the built-in filters under the search bar. You'll typically see options like all pins, videos, boards, and profiles. All pins gives you a broad mix of individual images, which is usually the best place to spot less circulated photos. Videos can be great if you're exploring motion content, but may skew toward popular clips. Boards show collections curated by users. Browsing niche boards can lead you to original pins tucked inside. Profiles helps you discover creators whose work hasn't broken out yet. Switch between these views to refine the type of results without widening your topic. As you browse, open a pin to check the context and related suggestions. If the save count is low or the pin feels new to you, you're in the right zone. Keep iterating on your phrasing and filters and scroll a bit deeper than the first screen so you're not just seeing the most obvious pics. That's it. Open Pinterest, use search, be specific with your query, and filter by the content type you want. With this approach, you'll consistently uncover those underrated, unpopular pictures that inspire fresh ideas.